Het land van Piet en riet. I mean the land of peat and reed. The Dutch National Park, the Weerribben. Here lots of peat has already been extracted. In the 17th century, long before the massive use of gas, before coal mining, many of the Dutch warmed their city houses by burning turf, peat. And here in the Weerribben, peat was already extracted and dried on small remaining patches of land, the ribben. And then it was transported to the growing and flourishing cities in Holland. Nowadays the Weerribben is a protected national nature reserve. It's a beautiful area that is best explored in a canoe, peddling through the weeren. And these waterways were once many meters of peat that made the area into a swamp. Today the reed cutters continue to harvest reed in this region, mainly for the traditional reed roofs.